फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and welcome to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर and what we have just witnessed, USA have defeated Pakistan. This is the first upset of the T20 World Cup 2024. Super over तक ये मुकाबला गया, लेकिन पाकिस्तान were not able to chase down those 19 runs in the super over. एक बेहतरीन बॉलिंग का प्रदर्शन किया USA ने, एक बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन किया इस मैच के अंदर पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट, and this has come as a shocker for sure. USA looked pretty good against Canada in the first game. लेकिन उसके बाद एक बहुत बड़ा मुकाबला था जो एक इजी पैसेज कहीं ना कहीं लग रहा था पाकिस्तान के लिए, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं। बात जरूर हो रही थी कि इजीली शायद निकाल के लिए जाएंगे, मैच जीत जाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं बिकॉज द यूएसए साइड वाज इन फुल कंट्रोल राइट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग। इफ यू जस्ट लुक एट दिस स्कोर कार्ड of the Pakistani batters, Rizwan was out for 9 of 8. Babar Azam ने बहुत खराब starting करी. He choked in the power play overs. He managed to score 44 or 43, but that wasn't that should have been the case because उसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं एक्सेलरेट करने का मौका नहीं मिला पावर प्ले में पाकिस्तान को, और रन्स नहीं लगे। उसी वजह से उस्मान खान वाज आउट अर्ली. ही कुड जस्ट मैनेज 3 of 3. फखर जमान, he was looking good. He started off really well, got a 6 of the first delivery, but he too was out while trying to play that scoop जो आजकल बैट्समैन बहुत ट्राई करते हैं, going across the stumps. He was out for 11 of 7 by Ali Khan. He was caught by Steven Taylor at short mid wicket, short fine leg, माफ कीजिएगा. And उसके बाद शादाब खान, he made a valuable contribution. He tried to stick around the track, around the pitch with Babar Azam, but he did made a contribution of 40 of 25. उसके अलावा आजम खान, he has been having a very forgettable run in the international cricket right now. He's getting trolled for not really good reasons. He's been body shamed, and now he was out for another duck. This was a second consecutive duck, and this was the first ball duck for Azam Khan, for the wicketkeeper batter Iftikhar Ahmed, 18 of 14. Shaheen Shah Afridi, you need to give him a lot of credit because he was the one who made that 159 happen, because he chipped in with some boundaries at the fag end of the innings. Scored 23 of 16, remained unbeaten. Harris Trough 3 of 3. He too remained not out. But a lot of owners, a lot of backlash would be there on social media for Babar Azam's innings. He played really well. He played really slow. इनफैक्ट इरफान पठान ने तो बहुत अच्छा ट्वीट भी करा है कि दैट यू कांट रियली एक ट्रैक जो शायद थोड़ा बैटिंग फ्रेंडली था, उस पर आप इतना स्लो नहीं खेल सकते. यू कांट रियली प्ले एट अ स्ट्राइक रेट ऑफ जस्ट ओवर 100, एंड विच इज द केस. Babar, if he would have played with a strike rate of 200 or 150, that the total would have gone past probably 170, 175, and this would have been a very defendable total. But a lot of credit goes to the US batters as well. The skipper, the openers, they started off really well. If you can just have a look at the scorecard, Steven Taylor, he just managed to score 12 of 16. Naseem Shah got him out. Rizwan caught him. Patel, captain and the wicketkeeper batter, he scored a valuable half century, 50 of 38. Again, he was caught by Rizwan. उसके अलावा Ghosh was cleaned up by Harris Trough. He scored 35 of 26. But Aaron Jones, who has been the star for USA in the last game as well, he chipped in with 36 of 26. While Nitish Kumar, 14 of 14, he remained unbeaten because 14 रन जो उन्होंने बनाए वो बहुत क्लासिकल थे, क्योंकि चोक भी किया उन्होंने, लेकिन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बाउंड्री भी लगाई ऑन द लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द इनिंग्स. जब 5 रन चाहिए थे यूएसए को जीतने के लिए, तब उन्होंने एक चौका लगाया और सुपर ओवर में मैच को लेके गए. उसके बाद जो हुआ, दैट वाज रियली डिसअपॉइंटिंग फ्रॉम द पाकिस्तानी bowlers, and especially someone like Mohammad Amir, who is experienced enough to provide the resistance, to provide that stability that a senior team, that a team like that, a unit like Pakistan demands. So he gave away 18 runs But the problem is, in those 18 runs, he wasn't really hit for boundaries. He gave away runs on wide deliveries, and USA batters were very clever enough to take runs off those wides. They run quickly, they ran really quickly between the wickets. They scored valuable 18 runs and put up a target of 19 for Pakistan. उसके बाद पाकिस्तान की तरफ से इफ्तिकार बैटिंग करने आए और उनके साथ उतरे शदाब खान वन डाउन आए, लेकिन उनके साथ उतरे फखर जमान जिनकी बैटिंग आ नहीं पाई. बट Nitra Walker got Iftikhar out on the third delivery of the super over. He did got 5 runs in the initial first two deliveries, जो जिसने इक्वेशन को 14 रन पे लाके खड़ा कर दिया. But that was a brilliant wicket for the USA side. He was caught by Milind Kumar. Took a brilliant catch in the deep at long off. Forward diving catch लिया उन्होंने और चलता किया इफ्तिखार को. इफ्तिखार would have been someone who might have taken them over the line, but ऐसा हुआ नहीं. उसके अलावा उसके बाद कुछ इस मैच में हुआ नहीं. शादाब खान was the one, as I said, who was a third batsman in the Pakistani dugout, who came out to bat in the super over, but he could just manage to add some more runs in the tally, 8 runs to be precise, 9 runs to be precise in the end, and USA won by 5 runs. USA won the super over by 5 runs, as Pakistan could only manage 13 runs in that super over, and it's a big loss for Pakistan. इसने बहुत कुछ बदल दिया है, इसने बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्शन बदल दिया है पॉइंट्स टेबल का इस ग्रुप के अंदर, इस ग्रुप ए के अंदर, बिकॉज इंडिया हैव वन their one encounter against Ireland. USA now have 2 victories under their belt in their 2 matches. They defeated Canada earlier. They've now defeated Pakistan, so they have 4 points. They are the table toppers right now. So a lot of things have changed. The complexion has totally changed in this points table, or India versus Pakistan is going to be a very important, crucial game, not just for Pakistan, for India as well, because if India gets to that victory mark, they'll have 4 points, and उसके बाद जो कनाडा से मैच रह जाएगा वो शायद कहीं ना कहीं एक easy passage हो सकता है इंडिया के लिए, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान को बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना है. इफ दे लूज टू इंडिया, they'll have their task cut out against Canada and Ireland. उसके अलावा USA से हारने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा शायद नुकसान हो गया है उनको already. They suppose their first game and they haven't really started off in a good fashion, but that's how the game works. The co-hosts have the second win of the tournament, and what a victory in the super over. They were able to defend a target of 19 in the super over. They got to that 159 mark while chasing 160. A brilliant effort from the USA side, and the fans would be really happy. The team would be really happy, and the players would be really happy. And as a cricket fan, as a cricket lover, this is a very entertaining game. This has been a very entertaining encounter, so to say, and we just hope we get to witness more of these matches. Well, that's it from this update, but you keep following us on our social media handles, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and do subscribe to our Cricket Next YouTube channel, क्योंकि cricket मतलब Cricket Next.
Fastest cricket score updates या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.